Hi, and welcome to 8669 Tucson Court. Hey, Rich Sparks, going to show you today a great 2-bedroom, 2 full bath, large ranch style condo. Here's the address. Located in Warren, Michigan. We're right behind the city center. You can walk to all the events. This place has some pretty cool stuff. Let's keep going. The seller realizes this house needs some updating and priced it accordingly. We're going to touch on some of the highlights like the large living space and the private patio, and I'm going to show you how to make some extra money with a very small change. 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. So here's some good things. You got a gas fireplace, hardwood floors, large living room, little patio, looks like a shared patio with the neighbor, large dining room. You've got this private courtyard, which is very cool because, the moon's out, the full moon, you want to go out here dancing around in your, birthday suit. You can do it. And I know some of you will. Check this out. This open patio is so cool. Barbecue, and it's all yours. Here's the one thing I don't like about this house. It's the way the kitchen is, but I'm going to show you how to fix it. Let's check it out. Okay. Really, it's just the opening. The size of the kitchen, you can see you got a lot of room over here. Dishwasher, by the way, all the appliances are coming with this. And it gets tight right here where this refrigerator is. So here's what I would do, a simple fix. You have a ton of space over here, a really deep wall. I would remove these cabinets, slide the refrigerator over here. Now, I would step out in the hall, and after watching 4 or 5 hours of HGTV, I would simply take this wall back to the very back, opening that up so you'd have wide access coming in. And this house is prime for fixing up. Oh, by the way, the association, $150 a month. Seriously. All right, don't miss out on this opportunity. Keep in mind there's more information here. Prior to seeing the house, reach out. We're happy to send you the seller's disclosures and some other items you might want to know prior to viewing. Thanks so much for watching. Hit the like and share, and I'll talk to you soon.